Today we are going to talk about the university, and the very first slide which you see here gives you an overview about how modern the university is, how modern we are in terms of the courses we offer. And the image which you see here, this is actually a law student. She's an undergraduate student. Talking about the university, first and foremost thing I wish to talk about is the location, because that is one of the fantastic location the university is in. It is in a city called Leeds. Now, as you can see the map, between Edinburgh and London, you will find Leeds. Leeds is the third largest city in the UK, and we are the second biggest financial hub after London, which makes a lot of opportunities for students to work full time as well as part time. Leeds, being the third largest city in the UK, has its own airport, which is the Leeds Bradford Airport, which means students can fly directly into the city of Leeds. Apart from us, there are 4 or 5 other universities within the city of Leeds, which makes it a very student friendly and a very student welcoming city. So when I say there are 5 other universities, so a lot of population or half of the population within the city of Leeds is of students. All the businesses in the city runs around students. So for you as an international student, if you're looking for a city which is safe, which is welcoming, which is friendly, which will offer you a lot of job opportunities, followed by a university which will meet all your requirements, be it academic, professional, part-time jobs, full-time jobs, course experience, exposure, then Leeds is the city for you, and Leeds Beckett University is the university for you. Now, talking about the university, we are one of the most popular universities in the UK, one of the largest modern universities in the city of Leeds, which is Leeds Beckett University. I introduced myself, so I am from the South Asia office, and our office has been there from past 20 years, and the office is located in New Delhi. Talking about the university, we have more than 200 years of teaching experience. Now, typically, you will see in a UK university, you will find students not more than 10,000 to 12,000. But at Leeds Beckett University, we have more than 28,000 students that come and study with us. Recently, if you look at a closer link at the website below, the recent rankings of 5 stars have been awarded to Leeds Beckett University. Of course, facilities, inclusiveness, global engagement adds to these 5 stars. But the biggest advantage here of a 5 star is the employability. Now, this employability is full-time, part-time, plus for those students who have even graduated after 5 years, also we provide the assistance to these students. We are top 30 English universities for student satisfaction. Now, student satisfaction means the course which has been taught at the university, the modules that have been covered, the way we teach the course, the way we deliver the course, that has been top 30 in the English universities. University has recently been awarded another rankings for a hospitality and sports related subject. Since all of you are aware, we were the first university in the UK to start teaching hospitality, and that is how the ranking automatically comes. In terms of Leeds, like I said, it is one of the most popular cities, best places to live in the north, and this is again some of the recent rankings which have been published. We only have 2 campuses within the city of Leeds. First campus is the city campus, which is right in front of you. The first image which you see here on the top, the glass building, this is called the Rose Bowl building. This is where the Leeds Business School is based. The building below, the white building, is the Leeds School of Arts. This is the new arts building, which has state-of-the-art facilities, and all the arts and architecture students study here. Just next to it is the Portland building, which is the main building of the university, and that is where the library is located. Contrary to the city campus is the Headingley campus. Headingley campus is more like a historical building. If you see the image here, this is a 100-acre campus. Students who wish to study events, tourism, hospitality, computing, sports, they study at our Headingley campus. Below is our world-famous Carnegie School of Sport building. We are very highly ranked for our sports courses as well as sports facilities, which are part of the Carnegie School of Sports. Now, distance between both the campuses, City and Headingley, is not more than 15 minutes by bus. For international students, you can travel between both the campuses for free. This free bus service, you can download the schedule, you can see when the bus runs, and you can travel between both the campuses very, very conveniently. I was talking about the libraries. Libraries are based in both the campuses, in the city campus as well as here in the Headingley campus. And the best part about the libraries are they are always open. We never shut our libraries. Now, just to give you an idea, when I say we are a modern and a very advanced university, we are modern in terms of the courses that we offer to our international students. The courses which you see here, these are offered at the undergraduate, postgraduate, distance learning, as well as research options. We will see we have a lot of courses into art, architecture, and design. There's a very new course which has come up, which is content creation, which is part of the Leeds School of Arts, a very interesting and a very newly developed program. Then we have courses into film. It is taught at the famous Northern Film School. We have courses into marketing, public relations, journalism. We have music and sound and tourism and hospitality, like I talked about. There are a lot of courses into sports, undergraduate as well as postgraduate. Advantages with few courses into sports, hospitality, events is at the master's level, these courses come with a placement year, which means first year the student studies, second year they work in the UK. Same goes for the other courses at the undergraduate level. Most of the courses offer a sandwich year, making it a total of 4 years of course at the undergraduate level. Now, talking about the upcoming 2025 intake, fees for all our undergraduate programs is £16,350 per year, which roughly in Indian rupees, seeing the current pound rate, is around 17 to 17.5 lakhs per year. Postgraduate fees is £17,900, which is for most of the courses except MBA. MBA is priced at £18,360. Talking about the MBA, we are one of the few universities that offers a graduate MBA. Graduate MBA means it is for fresh graduates. We do not ask for any work experience in MBA as part of the application. And our MBA is offered in two different modes. One is a regular MBA, which is a 12 months degree. Other is a 20 months MBA, wherein the last 6 months is the internship or the work consultancy project. Now, the scholarships which you see right here, these are for all international students and these are automatic scholarships. Automatic means anybody who gets an offer from us straight away gets these scholarships. They do not have to make any separate application for these scholarships. For undergraduate, it is £1,000 per year, which makes it to total £3,000 of scholarship. For postgraduate students, for most of the master's courses, it is £3,000, except the courses which you see below. So MBA, management, including pathways. Including pathways means any course that is management with marketing, management with finance, management with HR. These courses have a scholarship of £2,000, followed by construction management, data science, IT, computer science, and advanced engineering management. Scholarships for research courses is £1,500 per year, which is not mentioned here, but we do offer a scholarship for research students as well. Another automatic scholarship are with a Leeds Law School. Again, automatic means they are given automatically, no separate application is required. For undergraduate courses, the scholarship is 6,750 per year. And for postgraduate, it is £6,500. So the scholarships in law are extremely phenomenal. Any student who meets the entry requirements for a postgraduate and undergraduate courses in law can avail these wonderful scholarships. Now, the other scholarships which we offer, first is the Dean's Undergraduate Scholarships. This is like the word term says undergraduate. It is for undergraduate students. For this, applicants must have received an unconditional offer by us no later than 31st of July. After you have received an unconditional offer, the students are requested to submit a short video wherein they talk about themselves, why they should receive the scholarship, what have they studied so far, why do they want to study at Leeds Beckett University, and how they think the scholarship is going to help them. Once we receive the videos, we shortlist the videos, and shortlisted candidates are then invited for the interviews. So the scholarship is £6,000 per year. And like I said, the deadline is by 31st of July, applicant needs to have an unconditional offer from us. These are very competitive scholarships, so make sure the videos are very, very good and are self-explanatory. Talking about the next scholarship is within the Leeds School of Arts. Now, this is only offered at the master's level, which means it is not for undergraduate students. It is only for postgraduate students in below subject areas. So architecture, art and design, well-being, choreography, filmmaking, as well as performing arts. Now, since it is Leeds School of Arts, we understand that portfolio is something which will already be submitted to us as part of the application. The process for this is, of course, you need to have an unconditional offer from us, which is mandatory. In June, the shortlisted applicants are invited for an online interview. Now, since the shortlisting, the decision on these applications is taken directly by the Leeds School of Arts, so the shortlisted applicants are notified about the interview from one of the colleagues or one of the faculties at the Leeds School of Arts. During the interview, students are requested to again present their portfolio, present their subject of work. There are certain questions. And like I said, successful candidates will be notified about the scholarship. Only for postgraduate, which is 50% of the tuition fees. The other scholarship is for athletes, students who are national or state level players, irrespective of the background they have studied at the bachelor's or master's level. This scholarship is within the Carnegie School of Sport. It is for undergraduate as well as postgraduate students. For undergraduate students, scholarship is £6,000 per year. For postgraduate, it is 50% of the tuition fees. So athletes, somebody who's into cricket, football, athletics, tennis, or maybe American football, those students will be eligible for this scholarship. For this, the application is, if you see the code here, students need to scan this code and complete an online application form. The application directly goes to one of the coaches at Carnegie School of Sport. Applicants are then shortlisted and then they are further invited for the interviews by the sports coach directly. Like I said, it is for both the students, undergraduate as well as postgraduate. So these are some of the additional scholarships which we offer apart from the automatic scholarships. Now, what are the entry requirements? What do we look for in a student? So if the student wishes to do any undergraduate program with us, we ask for a 60% and above in standard 12. This 60% has to be aggregate of all the 5 or 6 subjects that they have been studying. For English, we do ask for IELTS, which is 6 with no skills below 5.5. Alternatively, we also accept PTE, we accept TOEFL IBT, we accept TOEFL home-based, and we also accept Duolingo. For postgraduate courses, we ask for a second-class honors bachelor's degree, anything above 50-55% in undergraduate. English, like I said, for most of the courses, we ask for IELTS 6, and the alternate English language test we do accept. In terms of IELTS waiver, currently we give IELTS waiver only for central boards, which is CBSE and ISC. Any student who has scored 70 and above in class 12 English from a central board is eligible for an IELTS waiver. So whenever you submit the application, if you see you studied from a central board, make sure you submit your class 12 mark sheet to avail the IELTS waiver from us. For few courses at the postgraduate level, we might ask for a bachelor's degree in a related subject. For few courses, IELTS requirement can be higher. So whenever you are visiting a particular course, always make sure you visit the website to look for the correct and exact entry requirements. Now, at the postgraduate level, I was talking about a lot of courses that offer a placement year. So placement years means the course duration at the master's level becomes for 2 years. First years the students study. The moment they pass and complete the first year, second year they work in the UK, which is a paid placement year. Now it is part of the program, so university provides full assistance in finding the placement job or in finding the job at the second year. Fees for the additional placement year is very, very reduced. It is £3,580. Reason being, there are no studies involved in the second year. Make sure the scholarship you are talking about 3,000 is only availed at the first year, not for the sandwich year. And the list of courses which you see here, these are the courses that come with the placement year at the master's level. So there's hospitality, events, we have sports events, there's event marketing, advanced computer science, data science, and information and technology. So if you wish to do a course with the placement tier, make sure whenever you send us the CAS request, in the CAS form under the course title, you write hospitality placement tier. So straight away we do a CAS for 2 years, and for students, they straight away get a visa for up to 2 years. Now there's another course on the website, which is a very, very interesting course, which is called Entrepreneurship and Business Development. Any student who wishes to come back and expand their family business, or any student who wish to do their own startup, can do this wonderful program. It is an 18 months of program because the program is very practical based. That is the reason the duration is higher. MBA, I talked about, there is 12 months, there is 20 months. 12 months is the regular taught program, and 20 months, last 6 months, is the placement on the internship. Now, what are the documents we look for in order to process an unconditional offer for any student? Of course, we need to see the academics. If it's an undergraduate student, we need to see the 11th, 10th, 11th, and 12th mark sheet. If it's a master's student, we need to see all the bachelor's all year mark sheets or all semester transcripts, followed by a degree certificate or a provisional degree certificate or a passing certificate. English test should be there. It can be IELTS, PT, or anything equivalent. Statement of purpose, very, very important. SOP should clearly talk about 2, 3 things. First is it should talk about the student's background. Second, it should tell us why the student has chosen Leeds Beckett University. And lastly, and most importantly, the SOP should tell us why they have chosen this particular program. We ask for one reference letter. It can be academic or professional, but that one reference letter, it has to be on letterhead, dated, signed, as well as stamped. Agent consent form, again, very, very important, whichever agent you're applying through for crimes. If student has a long gap during their studies, let's say if I have graduated in 2018, so from 2018 till 2025, whatever I have done, be it work experience, be it any other qualification, be it an internship, you will have to submit all the gap documents to us as part of the offer. Mature applications. Now, this is the questions which we get asked. Do we accept mature applications? Yes, we do accept students who are mature, who have good amount of work experience, who somehow do not have the required academic qualification, but have been working for a very, very long time at a very good position. So we do accept such students. If you have applicants who meet this criteria, you can send us the profile. We will look into the profile, share it with the course leader, and we never know. Sometimes the course leaders do approve such qualifications. So if you have students, you can always refer them to us. We will look into this, and accordingly we can process them further. Accommodation, very, very common question asked. Where can the students stay? Does the university help in accommodation? Are there any guaranteed accommodation? So there are 2 types of accommodation students can choose. First is right in front of you, which is called the university accommodation. For university accommodation, applicant has to keep 2 things in mind. First is they should have accepted their conditional or unconditional offer. And second, after they have chosen their chosen accommodation with all the facilities they want, they have to pay £200 as a deposit. That is only when we can guarantee the university accommodation. For university accommodation, it starts from £99 per week and it goes up to £245 per week, depending upon the facilities the students want. Alternatively, applicants can also choose private accommodation. See, both the accommodation, university and private, they are equally safe and they will be near your campus. The only difference comes is in costing. University can be a little expensive when you make a comparison with private accommodation. But like I said, we help in both. So if you are struggling with accommodation or if your students are struggling with accommodation, you can always direct them to us. Lastly, these are some of the visuals of the city of Leeds that I have been talking about. And trust me, I have not taken these pictures from the internet. These are the pictures which are shared to me by our students who are currently in Leeds. And they tell us how fantastic the city of Leeds is and how wonderful experience they are having while they're there within the city of Leeds. And just to brush it up for the city of Leeds, it's a cultural city. When we say students, lots and lots of population of students, which means we have students from almost 100 different nationalities. Business hub, I talked about biggest financial hub, lot of companies, lot of firms, financially advisory firms are located within the city of Leeds, lot of opportunities for students to work. Student city, no doubt about it. You will see students all over the city. Sport. Sport again, very highly ranked at the university. A lot of courses into sports. In fact, there are two courses in sports at the master's level, which is sports events and sports business management, where we do not ask for a related degree in bachelor's. So if you are a student who studied, let's say, bachelor's in electrical engineering, however, now you have a keen interest in sport and now you want to make a career into sport, then Leeds Beckett University is the place for you because you can either apply for sports events or sports business at the master's level. Prime location, Leeds, third largest city between both the capitals, Edinburgh and London, makes it very, very convenient for students to travel directly into the city of Leeds. And yes, if students are interested into nightlife, Leeds has some of the best nightlife. With that, I will close the presentation.